Hello, this is Nathan, and I wanted to record a video to share my process for post-production. So after I've recorded a video, how do I change it and edit it to post to YouTube? Hopefully there's some valuable information in here that you can apply yourself. All right, so to start off with, I'm using a platform called Loom, Loom.com, and Loom is a great software platform that allows me to basically record my screen and overlay a video of myself as I record videos. And for post-production, it has a lot of great tools, which I will cover. So I just recorded a video called Email Newsletter Marketing Strategy, where I discovered a interesting strategy to add email newsletters, and so I just wanted to share that, what I found. So I've recorded the video, so that part is done, and so now I'm going to go through the process of editing it. Okay, so I'm going to start by going to the transcript. So we have these different tabs here, and I'm going to download the transcript. I've already downloaded it, so I saved it to a text editor. So here is the transcript. I'm going to copy this transcript. I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to paste the transcript, and then I'm going to say create a YouTube video title based on the script. Okay, enter that. Okay, enter. Okay, so boost email subscribers with a simple marketing strategy. Okay, and TLDR newsletter walkthrough. Love it. So I'm going to use that. So I'm going to copy this and come over to YouTube. I'm going to go to create, upload videos. And I need to start by uploading the video. So here is the video. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to download video. Okay, so it's downloading. I'm going to come over to my downloads and I'm going to title it the name that was suggested. Okay. I'm going to hit, so we have, here's our name. All right, so now I'm going to come back to YouTube. I'm going to select the file. So here is the boost email. So open that. Okay, so it's uploading. Okay, so that's the name. And then, that's the title is what I meant to say. So I'm going back to ChatGPT and I'm going to say, create a brief description of the video in first person. Okay, and so again, it's using the script to do that. So it's thinking. It's taking a long while. All right, so it came up with a short description. In this video, I walk you through an interesting marketing strategy I came across while signing up for the TLDR newsletter. I break down the targeted ad I saw on Facebook, the simple sign-up process, and why their two-step email verification method helps ensure a clean and high-quality subscriber list. If you're looking for ways to improve your email marketing and grow your subscriber base, this could be a helpful approach to consider. Excellent. So I'm going to copy that, go back to YouTube. I'm going to put that in my description. All right, and next thing I want is I want ChatGPT to create a timestamp of the video for different sections. All right, so the prompt was create a timestamp of the video for different sections. Here's our video timestamps. I find that this is helpful to basically communicate to YouTube the different sections, and it also helps people that want to just refer to certain sections of the video really quickly, right? So I have timestamps, which is all of that, and then I'm going to work on the thumbnail a little later, and then I'm going to come down to some other section here. Altered content, is any of the following? No. I'm leaving all that. Okay, so now I'm looking for tags. Okay. Create 4 tags for the video. All right, so I asked for 4 tags. Excuse me. Here are the 4 tags. Copy those, go back to YouTube, come into tags, paste. All right. I think it only put 2. Oh, I need separate the tags with a comma. All right. It just needed to have a comma between the tags, so I'm just going to come back here. I'm going to highlight, or I'm just going to exit those out, paste what I just pasted. So because I have a comma between the different tags, then it's working fine. Alrighty. So let's see here. That's all done. That's all done. Let's hear what it says. I'm looking at the caption. Oh, okay. I'm just leaving that. Okay, next. Next. All right. So the final step in my post-production process is to add subtitles. And so Loom, the recording software, is able to generate a script from the video automatically. And so what I had done previously is generated that, and I have it right here. Here's the script. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here. I'm on the YouTube editing page. I'm going to go to Subtitles, and I can go to Upload File. So I'm going to go with timing because the file has timing, and here is the file. It's an SRT file. Open. Okay, and so now all the captions are done, and so then I'm going to hit done. And so I know that YouTube has its own automatic captioning process, but I just upload it because I believe it's might be more accurate, and maybe with time it won't matter. But for now, I'm including that as part of my process. All right, so outside of the thumbnails, I'm done with my post-production using ChatGPT. Hopefully this was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.